Welcome students, welcome to June, I guess the week of June 8th. This is actually the last week we are going to be actively assigning classwork. That doesn't mean that you just skip out and don't do anything. Go strong until the end and show me how smart you are so that I can put that into your grade book for you. Um, Lots of you have been doing tons of work, going back and getting caught up. I'm super proud of you. You guys are working really hard in the face of some really extremely trying, difficult times. Not only are we having to deal with the coronavirus, we're having to deal with racism and police violence and all kinds of bad things that make us not feel good inside and make it hard to be growing up during this time period. So my heart goes out to all of you guys, and I hope you're able to just grab something good and hang on to it and persevere and make it through this tough time. Um, we've got a couple assignments coming up this week. We're going to shift gears a little bit here. We're starting in on the history of Earth, how it was formed. I in particular think this is a pretty interesting subject. We were going to briefly touch on dinosaurs and mammals, but I think we're out of time on that. So if that's something you're super interested in, I did post the TCI chapter, and you don't have to read it, but it's in your Google Classroom right now. You can open that up and read it, read ahead if you're interested. We're going to be able to cover the intro and I believe the first section on that for this week. Also, there's a really cool video I found on formation of Earth and the moon, and that covers some cool stuff. And also, when you're watching that, if that's something that also, kind of you're interested in, it's a pretty easy video to find on YouTube, and you can look at the other links. There's a series of videos that are attached to this, so you can do that as well. Um, and then finish up with the Nearpod. I do want to give you a heads up, and I put this on your Google Classroom. This Nearpod is one that you are going to be asked to have some written responses on. And when you look at the screen, the instructions go across the top of the screen, and you will have to click a little button at the top. I see if I can get this on the video. Oops, it's on this side up here. You'll have to click it. It's a blue box with an arrow on it, and that will minimize the instructions, and then you'll be able to see what the questions are and be able to complete the assignment. So please make sure you minimize those instructions. It's much easier to see the Nearpod if you put it on full screen rather than on the half screen or small screen size. So just some pointers there. You can email me if you have questions. I'm trying really hard to email you guys back within 24 hours of getting your email, so hopefully you've been getting those. If you are going back and finishing old assignments from this trimester and I don't have them in the gradebook yet, please, please, please email me and let me know as soon as possible. It's really difficult for me to see when you guys turn in older assignments current, like you're turning them in right now and they're from a couple weeks ago. All I see is a list of assignments that are done, and when I look at the grade book, it's the same thing. So it's kind of like trying to find a needle in a haystack to find when you guys are submitting one or two assignments here and there that are older. Please let me know if they're not in the grade book, and I will get that justified for you and put in correctly. And I think that is it. I'll be sending out an email this weekend to you and your parents with your status on Skyward. Everything as of an hour ago is in Skyward in the gradebook. I'll be putting more in over the weekend. Any questions again, please email me. I hope you guys are doing good and look forward to seeing you hopefully next year. Fingers crossed, right? Bye-bye.